Dummy links are sometimes required to construct a correct precedence network. I want to show you here how to recognize if a dummy link is needed by looking at the precedence network table, and also how to identify it in the table. To find the dummy link, you're going to have to look in the immediate predecessor column or prerequisite column. Now look for a single letter like C or B and see if it is repeated again. And notice that the letter B is repeated once again up above. But it is not alone, it is next to letter A. This indicates that the dummy link is going to be from B to A. To start drawing the network, we start with activity A and activity B simultaneously. Now please notice that there are two activities that require activity B to be done, but activity C would want A and B done, whereas activity E only wants B. So this is where we're going to insert the dummy link. We do this using a dotted line B to A. As you notice, does not have a value and is used purely to correct the sequencing of the activities. Now we can do activity C, which must start from A and B. This is why we needed the dummy link. Activity D can be done after you've finished C. And now we can do activity E from B right here. Now activity F can be done once D and E are complete. So I'll need to extend this line, and now I can do the last activity, which is going to be F. And this will be the end. I hope this was useful, and if you found it useful, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel.